SouthXchange Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. If you're considering SouthXchange, here's everything you need to know. SouthXchange is a crypto exchange tailored for users who value simplicity, low fees, and niche token accessibility. Designed by Pro Systems in Argentina, it's a go-to for both beginner traders and seasoned investors seeking altcoins not easily available elsewhere. The platform stands out for its minimalist interface, making navigation straightforward. Registering is quick, and you can trade immediately without unnecessary clutter. One of its key features is its support for lesser-known altcoins, which makes it ideal for those looking to diversify portfolios beyond mainstream assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. SouthXchange also allows fiat deposits in USD via wire transfer, though availability may vary depending on your location. Their crypto-to-crypto trading pairs are plentiful, providing flexibility for trading strategies. Security-wise, SouthXchange implements industry-standard measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and offline cold storage for most funds. However, keep in mind that it lacks advanced features like multi-signature wallets or proof of reserves, so large holdings might be safer on personal cold wallets. The fee structure is competitive, flat 0.20% fees for both makers and takers, with no hidden costs. Additionally, there are zero deposit fees, and withdrawal fees are reasonable, varying by cryptocurrency. Payouts are generally processed quickly, and I found their reliability consistent during my usage. One drawback is the platform's limited advanced trading tools. It doesn't offer features like futures, margin trading, or APIs for algorithmic trading. This makes it less suitable for professional day traders, but perfect for those who prefer straightforward buying, selling, and holding. The customer support, while prompt and helpful via their ticket system, could be improved with live chat options. In summary, SouthXchange is best for crypto users seeking a hassle-free platform to trade niche coins with low fees. It's not a full-fledged trading powerhouse like Binance, but for its intended audience, casual traders and altcoin hunters, it delivers. If you're looking for an accessible, no-frills exchange to diversify your portfolio, SouthXchange is worth considering.